Good morning to Sir Bydro. We are from Group 10. Today we're going to present about creating contemporary arts, the role of exhibitions and galleries in shaping the modern arts landscape. In contemporary arts exhibitions, creator plays a vital role in shaping both the message and the overall visitor experience. They go beyond merely selecting artworks by constructing cohesive narrative that reflect cultural, political, or social themes, helping audience interact and emotionally engage with the pieces. Curators also fosters meaningful dialogues between different artworks within a shared space. In collaborations with exhibition designer, they carefully plan spatial layouts, lighting, colors, screens, and visitor flow to create immersive and impactful experience. Additionally, they develop interactive materials such as wall text, catalogs, guide tour, and workshop to make complex artistic concept more accessible, and to provoking, acting as both educator and communicators. Creators serve as a crucial bridge between artists and the public.
My name is Devin Japo. My matrix number is 98636. I'll be presenting about trends in contemporary exhibitions and case study. Emerging trends in curatorial practices. The thematic exhibitions focusing on global issues such as identity, climate change, and technology. Interdisciplinary approaches, which are curators merge art with science, performance, and activism. Digital integration, mostly use of VR, AR, and interactive technologies to boost engagement. The community involvement is visitors as active participants and co-creators. Decentralized exhibitions such as pop-ups and online shows expand reach and accessibility. When it comes to case study, there is one case study about of an exhibitions. The curator for the exhibitions is Eleanor Hartney at Relang. These exhibitions explore artists' response to the environmental crisis, features diverse media such as painting, sculpture, video, digital installations. These exhibitions designs use natural light and recycle materials for sustainability, with interactive features like QR codes show real-time climate data. It is also included public lectures and workshops to deepen engagements and educations.
Next, we move to 2.0, the role of galleries in contemporary art. Galleries have three roles that we will discuss here, which is galleries as cultural institution, commercial and artistic balance, and last but not least, galleries vs museum. First, galleries function as vital cultural institutions that do more than just sell art, but they also introduce new ideas, support emerging artists, and shape artistic narrative. By curating exhibition, they influence public discourse and provide artists with crucial resources such as exhibition space, promotion, and access to collectors or institutions, acting both as gatekeepers and as enablers of artistic development. Next is commercial and artistic balance. Galleries face the challenge of balancing financial sustainability with cultural responsibility, as they must generate sales to operate while also presenting innovative and meaningful art. This often creates tension between commercial appeal and artistic integrity. To address this, many galleries adopt mixed programming, offering both marketable works and more experimental exhibition. This allowing them to support artistic exploration while maintaining financial stability.
Hi, I'm Afizan bin Ahmad Jais, number metric 97958. I would like to continue the point of the role of galleries in contemporary art, which is 2.3, Gallery vs Museum. Both provide platform to showcase in contemporary art but differ in roles and funding. Museum, funded by government or non-profit, focus on education, preservation, and community engagement and curated by experts aiming for long-term cultural value. Galleries, privately owned and commercially funded, driven by art sales and promotion, more flexible with artists and team, and offer quick exposure, networking, and income opportunity. Museums provide institutional credibility. Galleries offer immediate market responsiveness. Last one, both play complementary roles in the art ecosystem.
3.0 Interrelationship between curating and galleries. In today's art world, collaboration between curators and galleries is not just a partnership. It is a delicate of vision, strategy, and creativity. It's where intellectual exploration meet the realities of the market, shaping exhibition that are not only visually compelling but deeply thought-provoking. Curators, at their core, they are storytellers. They don't merely select pieces for an exhibition. They craft narrative, build dialogue, and create space for reflection. They dive deep into cultural, political, and philosophical themes, asking urgent questions about the world we inhabit. Whether exploring issues of identity, activism, or technology, curators position us within broader conversation, making it resonate with audience in unexpected and transformative way. Galleries, meanwhile, are more than just commercial space. Yes, they help sell artwork and connect artists with collectors, but they also serve bridge between creation and audience. Next, they also provide the financial and logistical backbone that turns a curatorial vision into reality, funding, venue space, promotion, and also coordination. Next, when curators and galleries comes together, something dynamic happens. Galleries invites curators to shape exhibition that reflects or challenge current artistic trends, while curators introduce galleries to fresh voices and perspective. Through this exchange, art space evolves, becoming incubator of new ideas, advocates for underrepresented artists, and forums for deeper engagement. A curator might frame an exhibition around post-colonial narrative or digital disruption, weaving layers of meaning into the gallery. Gallery hosted biennial, theme group shows, and solo retrospective become fertile ground for intellectual and artistic experimentation. The result? Exhibitions that don't just display art but ignite conversation. This relationship also transforms galleries themselves. Once since primarily as a market-driven entities, they now embrace the role of cultural institution, engaging with scholar critique and socially conscious collector. And then their collaboration with curators elevate their programming, giving it depth, relevance beyond the commercial sphere. In return, curators gain access to resources that allow ambitious projects to flourish, projects that might otherwise remain unrealized within institution constraints. Art today is fluid, shifting, responding to globalization, technological advance, and new social movement. The collaboration between curators and gallery reflect this adaptability, ensuring the contemporary arts remain vital and accessible. Together, they don't just present art, they shape what we see, think, and engage with the world around us. Next, 3.1, which is impact on contemporary art market. In the contemporary art world, curators and galleries wield significant influence over market trends, shaping artistic recognition and commercial success. Their collaboration goes beyond simple exhibition making. It determines how artists are positioned, how their works are interpreted, and ultimately how they are valued in the marketplace. This interplay forms a dynamic relationship where intellectual vision meets market force, creating an ever-evolving ecosystem that affects collectors, institutions, and cultural discourse. Next is 3.1.1, which is elevating artists and market perception. A curator's decision to feature an artist in a well-conceived exhibition can act as a catalyst for that artist's career. Curators build narrative that frames artwork within larger cultural conversation, whether addressing political movements, historical reinterpretation, or emerging aesthetic trends. Their critical selection and thematic contextualization often determine which artists gain visibility and institutional validation. For example, when a curator presents an artist as a part of a group exhibition exploring themes of social justice, that artist is immediately linked to a broader discourse on activism and representation. This can generate significant media attention and appeal to socially conscious collectors. If a museum or a high-profile institution takes an interest, the artist may receive acquisitions or invitation to participate in future exhibitions, further solidifying their market status. Collectors often rely on curatorial expertise to guide their acquisitions. A well-curated exhibition supported by research and critical essays lends credibility to an artist's work, influencing purchasing decisions. Galleries strategically leverage this curatorial authority to enhance the desirability of their rostered artists, increasing both their commercial and cultural value.
My name is Nur Fatiha. My matrix number is 100351. Next, I will be talking about 3.12, which is galleries as culture and commercial intermediaries. Galleries serve both market and cultural roles through branding and promotion. Increasingly adopt curatorial approaches, example, theme-based shows, and also to expand audience reach. And the last one is collaborate with curators in art fairs and exhibits to balance aesthetic and sales. Next is 3.1.3, shifting taste and market demand. Curators influence trends by highlighting underrepresented or non-Western artists, and also galleries have to adapt the programming to reflect evolving culture, dialogues, and collector interests. Because by shifting taste and market demand, most of curatorials having a different taste, as if like they changes their taste. And last but not least, curatorial validation of digital arts and NFTs helps integrate new media into the market. Next is 3.1.4, a symbiotic relationship. Curators provide critical frameworks, which is the gallery, supplies, resource, and access, which much that everyone knows that curatorial has to provide the same framework as everyone else. And second, their partnership sustains artists' careers and ensures relevance of contemporary art. And last but not least, joint efforts push the boundaries of artistic expression and market influence. Because by putting in efforts of boundaries between the artistic expression within the market influence, creators have made a relationship between two different artists and also two different tastes of an artist that will make the marketplace become influentially by this.
In a conclusion, curators and galleries play vital complementary roles into their art world. Curators guide discourse and education, galleries enable production and visibility. Together, they shape how art is made, valued, and understood in a global context. As art evolves, this collaboration remains key to its cultural and market vitality.